Finding good taste at the most popular restaurant on the Riverwalk in scenic San Antonio. See why tourists and locals clamor for a table here, and the margarita this city is known for. Then, road trip. We're heading to a spot not far from world-famous Luckenbach, Texas. A place where bratwurst and beer come with a bet. Say what? And steak fans, Houston's hottest steakhouse also has a table with a killer view. Join us at the table. This is one meal you don't want to miss. Everyone, I'm Tanji Patton. Welcome to Good Taste and welcome to the beautiful San Antonio Riverwalk, the most traveled to tourist destination in all of the state. We chose this scenic spot because we're going to take you to the most popular restaurant on the Riverwalk, Boudro's. The San Antonio Riverwalk is alive with color. Its banks lined with bustling restaurants and bars. For the past 30 years, one restaurant consistently stands out with its stellar food and fantastic service, Boudro's.
We're enjoying it.
In a state where everything is bigger and better, this popular spot boasts the tiniest, busiest kitchen in all of Texas. Also, the first spot in Texas to offer tableside guacamole, a genius move.
Oh, it's awesome. Are you kidding me? Yeah, we've never had orange in our guacamole before.
From their award-winning juicy blackened prime rib to the house-smoked jumbo shrimp that's paired with cheesy Gulf crab enchiladas, life is good at Boudro's. You look very happy.
I am happy.
Joining me now is Andreas, the GM here at Boudro's on the Riverwalk. This is truly a special place.
It really is. I mean, it can't get any better. You're right here by the river and enjoying some great homemade food and with some product from this region. So and the weather is beautiful. So
most every day of the year, the weather's beautiful on the Riverwalk, and that's a true statement. Well, let's talk about some of the great food. You got to admit, the tableside guacamole, that was genius.
it is. That's something that we have. It's just unbelievable. I really never thought it'd be so popular dish, but we have just about everybody come to San Antonio is going to have to come by and taste the guacamole prepared tableside.
On a given night, because I know you're busy day in and day out, what's an average crowd size?
We probably serve anywhere between 300 to 500 people.
That's crazy.
Yes.
And when you go in the kitchen and you see the tiny kitchen that puts out this amazing food, it's mind-blowing.
Yeah, I don't know. These guys are great back there. You know, they're just a great team. They've been there for a long time. The average person that has been with us as a chef or cook, it's been anywhere from 10 to 20 years.
And you don't see that very often.
A lot of the key people have been here actually 20 years or plus, you know, so, and being that close to each other, you definitely know each other well.
You better work as a team, right?
Every little inch of the kitchen it's just like every move, they know exactly where to go, what not to do, or where to be at the time.
It's like a symphony. Everyone has a note to play.
Right here, winner table 23, please.
The executive chef overseeing this busy kitchen today is Robbie Nolan. His impressive resume includes a stint at Thomas Keller's famed French Laundry in California. In fact, that's Keller holding Keller. Robbie named his son after his mentor chef and friend. So, as you know, Mr. Big Time Chef, when you eat here, what do you order?
The black and prime rib every time. You know, I'm a meat and potatoes kind of guy, and I really enjoy eating that here.
That's what I get too. What do you think it is about this place that people from literally all over the world come back?
You know, I think the service speaks volumes about a restaurant, and here at Boudro's, we really connect with our guests and make sure they have a great experience.
Yeah, and the food. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I would think the black and prime rib is one of the most popular dishes on the menu.
It is. You know, the black and prime rib is slow roasted all day. We do it 6 hours in a low oven, 180 degrees, and then we finish it by putting in a blackening spice, which is cayenne pepper and Cajun seasoning. We sear it on the flat top, both sides. Serve with roasted potatoes and vegetables.
It's so good. And then another popular one, that South Texas quail.
Texas quail, yeah. So a bobwhite quail, which is a breed, we stuff it with poblano peppers, a little bit of roasted corn, and apples. We let that marinate in a little bit of vinegar, salt, and pepper. And it's smoked with on the grill with mesquite and pecan, and then we serve it with roasted potatoes and vegetables as well. A little bit of demi-glace, which is a veal stock reduction, and it's done. It's beautiful.
The wait for a table here can be lengthy without a reservation, but there's plenty to take in while you wait for that coveted spot.
The most popular drink on the menu for the past 30 years, the prickly pear margarita. Cheers.
Wine fans, there are some great choices here for you too.
You have an amazing wine list.
We do, and that gets changed on a weekly basis sometimes, depending what the availability is.
No one leaves Boudros unhappy, especially after one bite of that delicious guacamole.
I love this place. It's fantastic.
Love this food.
Welcome to my kitchen, everybody. I'm going to show you how to make that famous Boudros guacamole. It's so easy. You're going to start with avocados, fresh lime, jalapenos or serrano, fresh tomatoes, oranges, cilantro, and onion. We're going to start off with the orange juice. So juice about half an orange. Then you're going to juice your lime. Cut your avocados, give them a rough chop in the bowl. You don't want them too creamy, so leave some of the chunks in there. Then you're going to add those beautiful roasted tomatoes, charred jalapenos, your cilantro, a little bit of onion, mix it all together. Okay, add a little sea salt, as much or as little as you like. And again, keep in mind, it's those roasted tomatoes that make this guacamole so spectacular. Okay guys, I'm going in. So good. There you have it. Boudros' world famous tableside guacamole. Up next, we're headed to the Texas Hill Country. We found a brewery that offers a cozy alternative when it's time to turn out the lights. Then to Houston's hottest new steakhouse that's in a very old building. You'll want to jump on this ride because steak fans, it doesn't get any better. Good things come from Cisco.